fashion, fun, felines. Join spa living and style expert Candy Holiday as she trips through her days while trying to flourish, look fab, and have a blast, even when life gets in her way. Let's make every day feel like a holiday with Candy. Candy, what are you doing?
Trying not to feel like a pancake on a griddle, Darren, because it is hot here in the South today. Is anyone else feeling this August heat? It's going to be like 93 degrees here today. Or maybe your skin's just feeling a bit sun-parched. If so, grab a glass of mint water, pull up a lounge chair, and put on your robes, because we're going to go back in spa time to the Four Seasons in Westlake Village, where I am dreaming about a Luxe cool spa treatment I had a few Christmases ago that had me saying see you later to my downright reptilian looking legs. Ew. And I am so excited as always for y'all to take this little journey with me as we try to spa up our lives. And if you've just found us, welcome! And I want to invite you to check out Life's a Holiday. That's HOLLADAY.com, where I always try to put up some bonus features, pictures, videos, anything to help you bring a little bit of this episode home. And we've also got a directory of our past episodes if you want to check those out. And you can also join our studio audience right there on the website. We're going to be having some really fun events coming up and going to be doing some live actual podcast episodes on Instagram. So if you want to know all the details and when those things launch, be sure to join the studio audience. Looking forward to see you there. But lawsy, y'all, it is so hot here today. It's going to be 94 degrees in Chattanooga. I don't know about where y'all are, but whoa, it is. You can feel every degree too because it's humid. You really forget about the humidity living in California until you get off the plane and it just hits you in the face like a wall of steam, which can be sort of a good thing. I mean, it gives your skin moisture. But you know me, I don't want to be negative about things, and so I started thinking about, well, Christmas is coming up. I mean, it's August. Pretty soon we're going to be thinking about Christmas, and I was remembering this spa trip that I took to the Four Seasons Westlake when we were in California. They have an event every Christmas called Let It Snow, and how they created coolness because at the Let It Snow event, they actually have snow. They have a snow machine and they have their California snow, and it's really fun and fabulous. And during the event, I went there before the actual event started and had their signature treatment, the California Dream treatment. And when I was remembering it and I was watching my video that I did of it, which is on YouTube if y'all want to check it out, I remembered how cool it made me feel, and also how it really got rid of, I had that terrible alligator skin on my legs from all the summer, and I remember that it really got rid of all of that. And what better thing to share at the end of summer than a cooling spa treatment that gets rid of that nasty summer skin. And after all, it was Christmas in July just a few days ago. And spoiler alert, this fall in season 6 of Life's a Holiday, I'm going to be sharing my tips for how you can plan your very own holiday spa break. It is seriously one of the best ways that you can end the year on the most positive note ever. Now I want you to shut your eyes if you're not driving or you're in the middle of something kind of dangerous, but stop whatever you're doing, shut your eyes, and imagine you are with me in the relaxation lounge at the Four Seasons Westlake Village. We're in our robes and we're hanging on these super decadent velvety shea lounges in front of this gigantic plate of glass. It must be 10 feet tall with water cascading down it into the most beautiful pond of orchids and water lilies. And she started off where she used this nut scrub. It was nuts, shea butter, and she just scrubbed all over my entire body with that, and it felt so good. And then after that, she goes over with a hot towel and removed all the scrub. And the next step was this clay. It was had mint in it and different stem cells, and she puts clay like all over my body, and then she wrapped me up in like warm towels in this like foil blanket where I just like hung out for, oh my God, like probably half an hour. It was really dreamy. And while I was hanging out on the blanket and like the clay stuff just like detoxified me and did its stuff, then she gave me this killer neck massage. And it was so good. It was just like really deep and wonderful. And so I'm sorry I'm like a bit dreamy because I nearly fell asleep. It was so yum. But I don't like to fall asleep during spa treatments. I know a lot of people do, but I don't because I feel like you miss out like on all the fun. Like who wants to sleep through all that like incredible like attention and pampering being paid to you? And so after the massage, then you like get in the shower with all the jets and you just like, wash off all the clay. And then they do like this really yummy lotion application. And it's not just any lotion. It has stem cells in it, grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, so lots of antioxidants and really awesome stuff for your skin. And so I can't wait till tonight to see, because I always feel like I have to wait till I get home to kind of feel how everything's like sunk in. But right now my skin feels so smooth, like just velvet. It was amazing. And then to top it all off, at the end of the treatment, they bring you your robe, which has been like stored in a heated drawer. So you just pop your robe on and it's all cozy and yummy. And so now I'm just chilling in the relaxation lounge. And there it is. This is my view right now. Y'all, aren't you jealous? It's funny too because I had my toes done. Look, they sort of like match the blankie. These blankies too. They are so like bunny rabbit soft. And I've got this incredible relaxation space all to myself. I feel so sad. Like I wish y'all were here with me. I mean, look. There's like 3 empty lounges just waiting for you. Just get your buns here. And look what else I love that they have in their relaxation area. They have a nice little snack bar. They've got flavored water and fruit and nuts. Very nice. And you can also have hot tea. And so there's my snacks. I've got some cucumber water and some nuts that I'm going to nosh on while I just chill here for a few minutes. And there you have it. That was the California Dream Treatment. And I mean, wow, y'all. I had no idea how many times I said dream, dreamy, dreaming. The Four Seasons Westlake Village, they really know what they're doing, or they're giving us some kind of post-hypnotic suggestion or something. But whatever it was, in fact, dreamy. So thank you, Four Seasons. And if y'all want to DIY a little bit of my California dream or learn more about Four Seasons Westlake, be sure to check out lifesaholiday.com. I've got some products. I've got some of my favorite mint and clay scrubs that you can buy for an at-home body mask. I also have some stem cell moisturizers that I found that are really, really great. And I didn't get what brand of stem cell moisturizer that they use there. I kind of think they prepare it themselves, but if I find out, I will put that in the show notes as well. And as always, I just want to thank y'all for hanging with me, and I hope you had a really great time, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Don't forget, you can shop the show and get the 411 on this episode at lifesaholiday.com. That's HOLLADAY.com. Meet Candy on Candy Holiday YouTube channel for more adventures. See you next holiday.